Good day, everyone. I hope all of you are doing fine, doing good. Yes, good. The word good, according to English Dictionary, is conforming to standard. Now, how are you going to know whether what you are acting or doing conforms to standard? The SSG, as the governing body of the school, plans different activities and projects within the school year. Are those activities conforms to standards? The Supreme Student Government or Supreme Pupil Government is the foremost co-curricular student organization authorized to operate and implement pertinent programs, projects, and activities in the schools nationwide. Therefore, we are the umbrella of all organizations and clubs in the school. Today, we are going to learn mandated SPG, SSG programs, projects, and activities or PPAs, and calendar of activities. And then our objective for this topic is first, enumerate the SPG, SSG mandated programs, projects, and activities. Second, develop different activities in connection with SPG and SSG. In the next slide, uh, I will show pictures, sample pictures participated by the SSG and SPG. The first mandated PPAs. Organize the participation of students and volunteers in the annual Brigada Eskwela. As the pictures appeared, the SSG participated the annual Brigada Eskwela. As you can see, they play a part during the annual Brigada Eskwela. This is the inception of their function as the duly elected SSG officers, wherein they serves as volunteers, wherein it ignites bayanihan. Next is SSG or SPG lead or participate in the National Greening Program or NGP and other environment-related activities. A school program which will bring out the students' inherent stewardships of God's creation, like slogan contest and many others. Or a tree planting activity which promotes reforestation and enhances climate change mitigation. There are a lot of activities that would motivate the youth to take part in caring our Mother Earth. The next mandated PPA is the SSG participation in community mapping. So early registration for school year 2020-2021, DepEd has set January 27 to February 28 as the period for early registration from kindergarten up to grade 12 in all public elementary and secondary school. So just like what has shown in the picture, SSG participation in community mapping. The number 3 Mandated PPA conduct activities and awareness campaigns to encourage parents to enlist their 5-year-old children to kindergarten. Next, mandated PPA. Conduct book and toy drive and other school supplies for donation to schools. So the SSG School Supplies Donation Drive. So in this program, it is important that the SSG officers are informed what is the reason on this campaign, who will be greatly benefited in this drive. Through it, all their efforts are honorable. It will navigate positive and outcome. So, is it only on Christmas when we share it? Okay, next, mandated PPA. Conduct activities to prevent students from dropping out of schools. This is very important and this is very helpful to all students. Conducting activities to prevent students from dropping out of schools. So, the SSG and SPG are duly elected by numerous number of students. They are the most looked up and treated with respect aside from the teachers. They can influence students to strive hard, like uh, talks through SSG Tambayan, making an inspirational talk, and many others. So SSG and SPG are student leaders. Their first step in doing what is right conveys a message to do what is right. So ang SSG o ang SPG ay kaisa sa Departamento sa Edukasyon on no children or learner shall be left behind. So another mandated PPA, conduct English speaking campaigns and reading tutorial services. So the SSG or the SPG share responsibilities during the English Club Month celebration, like reading tutorial. So reading tutorial is an extra mile work for the SSG officers, or it could be peer tutoring. So this is done because of para sa bata, para sa bayan. Next, mandated PPA, conduct activities to support anti-drug abuse education and campaign. So in this program, SPG or SSG extends help to other clubs and organizations like the Barkada Contra Droga. They could host an anti-drug symposium. Another mandated PPA assists in ensuring that the school is smoke or tobacco-free place. And activities like anti-smoking campaign, anti-smoking poster making. In this program, the SPG or the SSG will produce a crusade that would enrich consciousness to students about the negative effect of cigarette smoking. They are the right person to initiate such campaign. Another mandated PPA, lead students in organizing activities which starts during Teachers Month celebration or the Teachers Month campaign. In our school, SSG definitely give joy and honor to teachers. Like they are making a DIY token. It is less in price, but for us teachers, it's priceless. As I've said a while ago, SSG and SPG is the umbrella of all clubs and organizations in the school. So they could have a friendly competitions for students on World Teachers Day, like thank you card designing, poster making. So it is important for both uh, the SSG officers and the other clubs to communicate, most especially on Teachers Day. So another last mandated PPA, encourage, support, and participation of students in recognized co-curricular clubs or organizations and activities. So again, it is important for both club officers and SSG officers to communicate, lend each other's hands in order to come up with a successful programs and activities. After all, they share one dream, one goal, and one vision. Like that I shown in the picture, that they may have the recycling basura designing, the bulletin board designing, and many others. The YFD, or the Youth Formation Division, and the projects, programs, and activities is anchored on the DepEd values, DepEd core values. So, sa core values na makatao, you could have a theme of pananampalataya ko, dangal ko. Makatao again. So, this could be done during the World Teachers Day. Guro ko, bayani ko. So, isa itong pagpaparangal sa mga guro. Another, karera ko, kinabukasan ko. This could be either be done sa mga senior high school students. Sa program na ito, pwedeng ang iba't ibang organisasyon or club ay magtutulong-tulong at magkakaroon sila ng theme na kalusugan mo, pananagutan ko. Another one, this talks about drugs, the anti-drug symposium, kabataan, kasangga, kontra droga. Another, negosyo ko, negosyo mo, sa kabataan ang progreso. Sa core values na makakalikasan, pwedeng gawin ang theme na ito, kabataang kaagapay sa sariwang hangin. Another one, kabataang kanlungan sa kalamidad. Kabataang katuwang ng malinis na maayos na kapaligiran. Sa makabansa, pwedeng gawin to, himig ko, awitin ko. Dahil may mga kabataan na mahilig sa kanta. Bayani ko, huwaran ko, sa makabansa na core values. Kasaysayan ng bayan mo, ikwento mo. Malikhaing kabataan, kabalikat sa kaunlaran. So these are the calendar of activities. For the month of June, the DepEd monthly celebration, sample is Independence Day, the Results Day. The core values anchored with that is the core value for the makabansa. So the mandated PPAs, PPE 10. The YFD anchored activities, kasaysayan ng bayan ko, ikwento mo. On July, Nutrition Month and Disaster Month. So sa Nutrition Month, core values 2 and PPA 8. Sa Disaster Month, core values 3 and PPA 2. And the YFD anchored activities would be Sa Nutrition Month, kalusugan mo, pananagutan ko. Sa Disaster Month, kabataang kanlungan sa kalamidad. For the month of August, buwan ng wika, Core Values 4, PPA 10, himig ko, awitin mo. History Month, CB 4, PPA 10, kasaysayan ng bayan ko, ikwento mo. And for the month of September, the DepEd monthly celebration is the National Clean Air Month and National Environmental Awareness Month. Pwedeng CB 3, CB, and the mandated PPA is PPA 2, kabataan, kaakibat ng kagubatan, kabataan, kadaman ng dalampasigan, kabataang katuwang ng malinis at maayos na kapaligiran. For the month of October, the World Teachers Day, Core Values 2 and PPA 9, Guru ko, Bayani ko. And the Career Day celebration, Core Values 2, PPA 5, Karira ko, kinabukasan ko. Pwede ring malikaing kabataan, kaakibat sa kaunlaran. So November, English Literacy Month, Core Values 2 and PPA 6. And Drug Abuse Prevention and Control Month, Kabataan Kasangga kontra Droga. For the month of December, ESP Month, CV1, Makadios, Pananampalataya ko, Dangal ko. For the month of January, the early registration. Then, for the month of May, Brigada Eskwela. So these are the summary of all the PPAs and calendar of activities. PPE 1 organized the participation of students and volunteers in the annual Brigada Eskwela, which lead or participate in PPE 2, lead, participate in the National Greening Program and environment-related activities. PPE 3, to enlist their 5-year-old children for kindergarten. PPE 4, conduct book and toy drive and other school supplies for donation. PPE 5, conduct activities to prevent students from dropping out of schools. PPA 6, conduct English speaking campaigns and reading tutorial services. PPA 7, conduct activities to support anti-drug abuse education and campaign. PPA 8, assist in ensuring that the school is a smoke tobacco-free place. Lead PPA 9, lead students in organizing activities which start during the Teachers Month campaign every September and which culminate during the World Teachers Day celebration on October 5, and other stakeholders. PPA 10, encourage and support the participation of students in recognized co-curricular clubs or organizations and activities. So those are the mandated projects, programs, and activities, and calendar of activities within the school year. So those mandated PPAs are in line with the different DepEd order, like DepEd order number 41, series of 2015, Presidential Decree number 491, series of 1974, Nutrition Act of the Philippines, Executive Order number 29, Proclamation number 339, series of 2012, and Proclamation number 1041, series of 1997. Okay, that's all. Thank you for watching and God bless.